Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Richelle. I am a home-based online English tutor and a virtual assistant working from home. In this channel, I share information on how to be an ESL tutor, and I also share information about home-based jobs. So for today's video, I am going to share tips on how to create resumes for beginners or for fresh graduates or yung mga tao or mga applicants na wala pang experience. So, how are we going to make an effective resume? So, I'm going to teach you guys on how to do that. So, I'm going to share my tips first on how to create a resume for beginners. Kung ano nga ba yung dapat mong i-include at kung ano nga ba yung dapat mong gawin to start your resume. This is so important. Your resume should match with the job that you are applying for. Kailangan naman na if you're going to make an objective for your resume, it should match with the job that you are applying for. So, hindi pwede na generic siya. So, let's take our time to edit our resume every time we apply for a different kind of job. So, of course, we are still a beginner, di ba? We don't have any experience. So, maybe you're looking for any kind of job opportunity. So, hindi pwede naman na generic lang siya yung objective mo. Pero, it would be better if specific siya. That's why you have to match the information, especially your objective and your skills with the qualifications na nandun din sa job offer or sa position na ina-applyan mo. And then, next is 1 to 2 pages lang siya. Huwag masyadong mahaba naman. 1 page is okay na. So, for some people, they can actually reach up to 2 pages. Pero, hindi dapat lalagpas ng 2 pages. Okay, so it would be best kung 1 to 2 pages lang siya. But for today, I am going to help you guys in creating 1-page resume lang. So, hindi natin kailangan ng 2 pages, pero if needed, maximum of 2 lang dapat. Diba dati sa atin, we're just creating resumes gamit yung Microsoft Word. Pero ngayon, meron ng app that can help you create a catchy and a cute resume. So, that's called Canva. Now, we are here sa website ni Canva. So, you can just type canva.com. If you already have an account, that's good. But if you don't, you can actually sign up for free. Meron siyang free account. Medyo limited nga lang yung mga features if free account siya. But that's okay because we're just going to make a resume naman. If you will be needing Canva in the future for your job, or if you want to create social media content like videos and posts sa Canva, then it would be good if you will be availing the Canva Pro subscription. But for now, let's use the Canva free subscription. Nakapag-login na ako. So, let's go to search and then you can search for resume. So, makikita natin dito ang dami-daming templates. So, yung mga may crown dito, yan, yung mga ito, ibig sabihin Canva Pro sila. So, if you are using a free account, hindi siya po pwede. But that's okay because we can still find amazing designs or templates sa free account. So, let's check. I-check natin kung ano yung cute na pwede natin gamitin. So, hindi naman kailangan na very aesthetic, ganyan. Okay lang yung simple lang din. Simple but elegant. So, let's check kung ano yung makaka-catch ng attention natin. So, I'm like this actually. It really takes me a lot of time to choose one, lalong-lalo na kung nasa Canva ako because you have a lot of choices. So, kung ano lang yung makaka-catch ng attention natin. So, I think I like this one. After you click it, you can click Customize this template. Yan. So, pwede na nating palitan yung mga information na nandito. So, this is just so easy. You can make it faster kasi nga, nandyan na yung design. I-edit mo na lang yung information. So, of course, you have to change the picture. You have to change the name. So, let's say, for example, I'm going to change it with my name. And then, I'll put here, virtual assistant. So, I'm looking for a job as a virtual assistant. Okay, so the first thing that we have to check is, of course, ito, yung objective natin dito sa left side under profile, the word profile. So let's say, for example, napalitan na natin yung photo. Okay, so I'll just change it na lang. So, yan. Para lang, para lang mas realistic siya. Okay, so let's check if I have a photo here. Parang wala akong professional photo. Please wait. I'll look. Okay, so yan na. Napalitan ko na yung picture and then my name and then the position. And then let's go to profile. Sabi niya dito, business administration student. I consider myself a responsible and orderly person. I'm looking forward to my first work experience. Okay, so as I've mentioned, dapat nakamatch siya dun sa position na ina-applyan mo. So let's say for example, I'm looking for a virtual assistant job. So I'll put this one. I actually prepared this one na. So I'm going to add it here. Masyado siyang mahaba. Adjust natin. Ibababa ko lang yung mga information dito para magkasya. Okay. So, medyo mahaba yung nilagay ko na objective natin. But that's okay. That's fine. I'll read this for you guys. You have to highlight also your skills dito pa lang sa objective natin. So I put here, I will read, I am a self-motivated individual seeking work as a virtual assistant to support business owners achieve their business goals. I am capable of time management and working under pressure in all environments. My goal is to help business owners save time from doing admin tasks so they can have more time focusing on the most important aspects of their business and personal lives. I am committed to being my client's business partner towards success. So, hinighlight ko doon yung mga skills na, for example, self-motivated, and then sa time management, ganyan, and then you can work under pressure. You can also add words like honest, hardworking, ganyan, professional, of course, especially those skills or those personalities are actually needed if you will be working from home. So this is an example. Parang gusto ko kasi ito yung gustong-gusto ko dito sa ginawa ko. I want to make my client feel that I am his or her business partner. Hindi lang ako isang virtual assistant, but I can be a business partner in achieving the goal of the business. And then yung contact details, ilalagay mo dito yung phone number mo, email address, and then your address, your physical address kung saan ka nakatira. And then next is sa order ng mga or sequence ng mga information na nandito. Since we don't have any work experience yet, I'm okay with the sequence, yung education, tapos skills, and sabi niya dito volunteer experience. So first is education. So you have to highlight your educational background since you are a fresh graduate or you don't have any work experience yet. Kung example man na hindi tayo nakakapagtapos ng pag-aaral sa university or sa college, that's okay. First that you would be putting will be your skills. Mas maganda kung uunahin mo muna yung skills mo para yun yung unang-unang makikita ni client mo. So after putting your educational background, sabi niya dito language. So I think this is, I will remove this one and then let's go directly to skills. So instead of computer skills, lalagay na lang natin dito na skills. So you have to put your skills here. So sabi niya dito, text processor, spreadsheet, slide presentation. Kung ano yung naging experience mo when you were studying, 'di ba? Minsan naman nagagawa natin yung mga Microsoft Word, slide presentation, mga ganyan. Pwede mong ilagay doon. Tapos kung ano pa yung mga alam mo na kung saan ka magaling. Kunyari, you have already tried editing videos. You can also do that. And then, calendar management, time management, mga ganon. You can also put this one. So, as for me, I am going to put graphic designing and video editing. So, kahit na, kasi I'm doing this for my YouTube channel. Wala pa akong work experience. Let's say, for example, I don't have any work experience doing these tasks. So, I'm sorry, my spelling is wrong. And then, spreadsheet, I'm okay with that. Slide presentation, pwede rin kasi I also know how to make presentations. And then, let's see, calendar management. This is so common actually, di ba? pwedeng gawin ito ng someone na wala pang work experience. And then, email management, for example, you have, so I think a lot of us already know how to make or how to manage our emails. And then, let's say, for example, social media. Of course, everyone knows how to use social media management, lalo na kung mahilig ka sa mga TikTok, Instagram, ganyan. And then, of course, it's better also if you check yung requirements or qualifications ng job na ina-applyan mo, ng job position na ina-applyan mo, para ma-match mo doon yung skills na ilalagay mo dito sa resume mo. For example, you're applying as an ESL tutor. Then you can also put here good communication skills. I think that's also very good, very important to put. Let's say, for example, you have good communication skills. Ayan. So, that's also very important, ha, lalo na sa mga clients natin, because they are from different countries like in the US or in the UK, ganyan. Kailangan na maganda rin yung communication skills natin. And then, for the third part here, sabi niya dito, volunteer experience. If you have, it would be good if you can put it here. Kung wala ka namang volunteer experience, you can put here your achievements kung meron din, 'di ba? Syempre, of course, kasi you were a student, so you probably had an achievement. So for example, you were an officer, 'di ba? Sa college ninyo, naging student council president ka or secretary. Like for example, for me, I was a departmental secretary. And then you can put here yung mga responsibilities mo dun sa position mo nung naging officer ka. If you were a dean's lister, cum laude, mga ganyan, if you had awards, pwede mo ding ilagay dito. Okay, so I was responsible for arranging documents based on their types and importance. Kung may mga events noon, nakikiplan ako and participated in planning school activities. So mga ganun, just for example, basta ilagay nyo dito yung mga ginawa nyo, just pahapyaw lang kung ano yung mga ginawa nyo noon. Kung meron din kayong, kunyari, nakisali kayo sa mga contests, ganyan, like for example, declamation, ganyan, kung meron kayong award, for example, you won, maganda rin kasi, declamation is so good, diba? Ititrain niya kayo on how to think under pressure, mga ganon. You can also improve your communication skills pag nakikisali ka sa mga ganong activities. So mga sample, mga things na ganyan pwede mong ilagay dito para ma-highlight din yung skills mo that you have achieved or that you have developed in joining that kind of contest or activity. This is a one-page simple resume lang. Pero ang importante, nalagay mo dito yung skills mo, and then dapat catchy nga yung objective mo dito. So that's our sample resume. Very simple lang. So you can use Canva templates to make a unique resume. So pagka okay na to, you can actually click share, and then you can download it via PDF. Depende siya kung ano yung requirement ng company. For example, if you're applying online, tas kailangan PDF file, of course, you have to click PDF dito. Okay, so yun guys ang mga tips ko on how to create an effective resume. So even if you don't have any work experience yet, you can still make catchy resumes na naaangat from those people who already have work experience. So it really depends on the strategies that you're going to make para makatch naman yung attention ni employer or ni company, di ba? So we have to sell ourselves. Sabi nga nila, we should know how to sell ourselves. And of course, ang unang-unang titingnan nila nga yung mga information na nabanggit natin or na-discuss natin. That's why it's really important to know where to put the information and how to highlight your skills in your resume. So resume pa lang dapat catchy na siya. Dapat interesado na si employer sa mga information na binigay mo dun sa resume mo. So I hope these tips help you in creating your effective resumes, and I hope that you get the job that you really wanted. Good luck to your job applications. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye!